Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create an AI spokesperson video with HeyGen step by step. First, open your browser and visit the HeyGen website. Sign in to your account and open the main dashboard. Start a new video project and select an AI avatar that will represent your brand or business. Choose a presenter whose appearance and style match the message you want to deliver. Next, prepare your spokesperson script. Keep the message clear, concise, and focused on the main information you want your audience to understand. Enter the script into the HeyGen editor and select an AI voice that matches your target audience. Choose the appropriate language and adjust any available voice settings. Now customize the video by selecting a professional background and adding your brand elements. You can include text, logos, product information, or other visual elements when supported by your project. Arrange the scenes so the information flows naturally from the introduction to the main message and finally to your call to action. Before generating the video, preview the entire project. Check the avatar, voice, pronunciation, timing, background, and on-screen information. If everything looks professional, generate the video and wait for HeyGen to process it. Once the video is ready, preview the final result and export it using the available options.